excited. I feel inspired by all the people that are around me, and just really powerful.
We are so excited for the first day of Welcome Week here at the School of Medicine. Our Office of Admissions and Enrollment Services team was able to meet with the whole class for the first time in person after having our entire virtual application seasons. As always, as tradition, Dean Flynn took the opportunity to meet privately with the entire class, share some welcome, share some words of wisdom.
Dean Flynn talked to us and gave us some good tips on what to expect from med school and what the campus culture and the med school culture is about.
I told them they are going to work hard, that we are in this together to take care of themselves, find time for themselves.
Because that's just important as learning, medicine is taking care of ourselves. So I think that was really awesome of him to kind of stress that as far as our medical education is concerned.
This will be the very first time ever that all of our students in all of the classes get to meet one another all in the same place, live in person.
The energy reminds me a lot of our MS1 year. So when we started and we're the first class, it's just excitement. It's people meeting each other for the first time, sharing things about themselves.
They're definitely saying take this month in as much as you can. Take all the initiation and introduction things. Take it all in, relax, because it's going to start ramping up pretty soon.
Just really special for us. We're finally getting to really kind of make that bond concrete. We've done a really good job of doing that on Zoom, but today is just the start of something that's going to be special moving forward.
Wow, excellent job, Camper. 63 more merit badges, and you will be officially thriving.
Today, we are gathered to discover who your teammates and guides will be during your time at the TCU and UNTHSC School of Medicine.
Looking at how we can support medical students and supporting specifically their mental health and well-being across a 4-year span is front and center and core for a lot of medical institutions, but certainly is a core pillar for us here at the School of Medicine.
I think meeting everyone in our class as well as our learning communities has just been awesome. Like I mentioned before, we all come from such different backgrounds and have such different life experiences that I think learning from each other not only this week, but in the future as we do get into clinics and have more thoughtful discussions about science and about the art of medicine, I'm really looking forward to that.
Just reflecting on the last class, the second years that didn't get an opportunity to do this Welcome Week, helps me appreciate it that much more. My background, I'm a teacher, and this last year I taught virtually. And so like the little times that I got to go on campus to interact with my students, I definitely felt the disconnect that they felt with me just teaching them on a screen. And so I appreciate the fact that we physically I got to meet my classmates in the different Welcome Week events, with being able to meet the second and third years and meeting faculty. It just helps us feel more normal, if you will, and just transition back into the setting post-COVID.